Welcome to the WW2 collection. Today, we embark on a nostalgic journey back to the era of World War II, exploring a myriad of captivating photos that encapsulate the essence of those historical moments. Through these images, we'll delve into the rich tapestry of the wartime experience. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share your thoughts and memories in the comments section. A photo from WW2 shows an OS-2U Kingfisher on a seaplane ramp in the Aleutian Islands, Alaska, from 1943 to 45. You can see a unique national insignia on the top right wing and Marsden matting on the ramp. In 1945, in China, there was a photo taken of P-38 Lightning aircraft belonging to the USAF 449th Fighter Squadron during World War II. Three different types of American fighter planes, the P-38H5LO Lightning, the P-51A-10 Mustang, and the P-47D Thunderbolt, were flying together during World War II, specifically in the years 1944 to 1945. Photo of a P-38J Lightning aircraft from World War II. Photo of a P-40N Warhawk fighter plane in China during 1944 to 1945. Photo of a P-47 pilot, Captain Walker, during World War II. A photo from 1945 shows a P-47D Thunderbolt from the 201st Fighter Squadron, stationed in the Philippines and flown by pilots from the Mexican Air Force. A photo from World War II shows a P-51D plane with a red tail, belonging to the 99th Fighter Squadron, 332nd Fighter Group. The photo was likely taken at Ramitelli Airfield in Italy, around 1944 to 45. A photo of a P-61 Black Widow from the USAF 419th Night Fighter Squadron flying during the years 1944 to 1945. A photo from World War II showing General George Patton in 1945. Photo of Major General Aaron Pajari in 1945 during World War II. A photo of U.S. Marine Stanley Iwashko taken around 1945. A photo of U.S. Navy Fleet Admiral Chester Nimitz taken around 1945. This is the first of two photos. This is a picture of U.S. Navy Fleet Admiral Chester Nimitz taken around 1945. It's the second photo in the series. Photo of a prototype Type 4 Hata self-propelled heavy mortar taken in 1945 during World War II.